Picture your liver as the overworked superhero of your body, performing over 500 vital functions daily. It's detoxifying chemicals, metabolizing drugs, processing nutrients, and producing bile for digestion. Essentially, it's like a one-stop shop for keeping your body in tip-top shape. Without your liver, you'd be in serious trouble, kind of like a car without an engine. Keeping your liver healthy is crucial for your overall well-being. An unhappy liver can lead to serious health problems like fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. So, think of your liver as that one friend who always has your back. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. You might think that as long as you avoid excessive alcohol, your liver is safe, right? Wrong. There are everyday foods lurking in your pantry and fridge that could be doing a number on your liver. Imagine these foods as sneaky villains, quietly sabotaging your liver while you go about your day. In this video, we're going to expose the top 10 foods that are secretly destroying your liver. We'll break down how these foods impact your liver and provide practical tips on how to avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to protect your liver and make healthier food choices. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to save your liver, one meal at a time. Food number 1, alcohol. Alcohol, the ultimate party companion and liver's worst enemy. When you consume alcohol, your liver works overtime to metabolize it. The process generates toxic substances like acetaldehyde, which can damage liver cells and lead to inflammation. Over time, this can cause fatty liver, alcoholic hepatitis, fibrosis, and cirrhosis. It's like throwing a wild party in your house every night. Eventually, the place is going to be trashed. Long-term, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to severe liver diseases, including liver cancer. It's not just heavy drinkers at risk. Even moderate drinkers can develop problems if they're not careful. Food number 2, sugar. Sugar might make everything taste better, but it's a sweet disaster for your liver. High sugar intake, especially fructose, can overload your liver, leading to fat buildup. This can cause non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, a condition where excess fat is stored in liver cells, impairing liver function. Fructose, commonly found in sugary beverages and processed foods, is a major culprit. Unlike glucose, which is used by every cell in your body, fructose is metabolized almost entirely by the liver, where it's turned into fat. This can trigger inflammation and insulin resistance, setting the stage for liver disease. Sugar hides in plain sight, often masquerading under different names. Look out for ingredients like high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, and agave nectar. Common foods high in added sugars include sodas, candies, baked goods, and even some so-called healthy snacks like granola bars and flavored yogurts. To reduce your sugar intake, opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation, and choose whole fruits over fruit juices. Read labels carefully, and aim to keep your daily added sugar intake below the recommended 25 grams for women and 37.5 grams for men. Food number 3, processed foods. Processed foods are the sneaky villains of the food world. They're loaded with harmful additives and preservatives that can wreak havoc on your liver. Ingredients like trans fats, found in many fried and baked goods, and high fructose corn syrup can lead to fat accumulation, inflammation, and liver damage. These foods often contain artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives, which your liver struggles to detoxify. Regular consumption can lead to a buildup of toxins and contribute to chronic liver diseases. Ditch the processed foods and embrace whole, unprocessed foods. Swap out those chips and cookies for fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Cook more meals at home using fresh ingredients, and experiment with herbs and spices for flavor instead of relying on processed seasonings. By making these changes, you'll not only support your liver health, but also improve your overall well-being. Remember, your liver is a resilient organ that can recover and thrive with the right care and a healthy diet. Food number 4, fried foods. Fried foods, crispy, golden, and oh so tempting. But while they might delight your taste buds, they wreak havoc on your liver. Consuming fried foods regularly can lead to liver inflammation and damage. The high levels of unhealthy fats in these foods increase the amount of fat in the liver, contributing to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It's like filling your car with sludge instead of fuel. Eventually, it's going to break down. Unhealthy oils, such as those high in trans fats, are particularly harmful. These oils are often used in frying because they're cheap and have a long shelf life. However, they can increase inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver, accelerating damage over time. If you love fried foods, fear not. You can still enjoy your favorites by using healthier cooking methods. Try baking, grilling, or air frying instead of deep frying. These methods use little to no oil, reducing the fat content significantly. Additionally, opt for healthier oils, such as olive oil or avocado oil, which contain beneficial fats that are easier on your liver. Food number 5. Excessive salt. While a pinch of salt can enhance the flavor of your meals, too much can spell trouble for your liver. High salt intake can lead to liver fibrosis, a condition where excessive scar tissue builds up in the liver. This can impair liver function and increase the risk of liver disease. Excessive sodium can also lead to hypertension, which puts extra strain on the liver and other organs. Over time, this can exacerbate liver damage and contribute to more severe conditions. Reducing salt doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Start by cutting back on processed and packaged foods, which are often loaded with hidden sodium. Use herbs, spices, and lemon juice to add flavor without the extra salt. Additionally, choose low-sodium versions of your favorite products and always check labels for sodium content. Your liver and your taste buds will thank you. Food number 6. Red meat. While a juicy steak might be delicious, consuming too much red meat can be bad news for your liver. Red meat is high in saturated fats, which can increase the amount of fat in your liver and contribute to NAFLD. Over time, excessive consumption of red meat can lead to liver inflammation and increase the risk of liver disease. It's important to be mindful of how much red meat you're consuming to keep your liver in good shape. You don't have to give up meat entirely to protect your liver. Instead, opt for leaner protein sources such as chicken, turkey, and fish. These options are lower in saturated fat and easier on your liver. Plant-based proteins, such as beans, lentils, and tofu, are also excellent choices that can provide your body with the nutrients it needs without overburdening your liver. Food number 7. White bread and pasta. White bread and pasta might be staples in many diets, but these refined carbohydrates can lead to fatty liver. When you consume refined carbs, they break down quickly into sugars, causing a spike in blood glucose levels. This, in turn, leads to increased fat storage in the liver. Over time, this can contribute to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, turning your liver into a fat sponge rather than a detox powerhouse. Refined carbs also play a role in developing insulin resistance, a condition where your cells don't respond well to insulin and can't easily take up glucose from your blood. This not only raises blood sugar levels, but also contributes to further fat accumulation in the liver, exacerbating liver health issues. Switching to whole grains can be a game-changer for your liver health. Whole grains, like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, digest more slowly, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels and reduce fat storage in the liver. They are also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes overall metabolic health. So, next time you're in the bread aisle, reach for whole grain options. Your liver will thank you. Food number 8. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, often marketed as healthier alternatives to sugar, have their own set of potential risks. Some studies suggest that these sweeteners can negatively affect liver health by disrupting gut bacteria balance and leading to metabolic changes. While the research is ongoing, it's clear that artificial sweeteners are not a free pass for indulging in sweet treats without consequences. Various studies have produced mixed findings, with some linking artificial sweeteners to increased risk of metabolic disorders and liver issues. However, the long-term effects are still under investigation, making it wise to approach these sweeteners with caution. If you have a sweet tooth but want to avoid the risks associated with artificial sweeteners, consider natural alternatives. Stevia, honey, and maple syrup can provide sweetness without the potential side effects of artificial options. These natural sweeteners, when used in moderation, can be a healthier choice for satisfying your cravings and protecting your liver. Food number 9. Excessive dairy. While dairy products like cheese and whole milk are rich in nutrients, excessive consumption of high-fat dairy can strain the liver. The high-fat content, especially saturated fats, can lead to fat accumulation in the liver, contributing to NAFLD and other liver issues. Additionally, for For those who are lactose intolerant, consuming dairy can lead to digestive issues that may further stress the liver. It's important to monitor your dairy intake and be mindful of how much high-fat dairy you consume. Enjoying dairy in moderation is key to maintaining liver health. Opt for low-fat or fat-free versions of your favorite dairy products to reduce fat intake. Alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, or coconut yogurt can provide similar textures and flavors without the high-fat content. By making these simple swaps, you can enjoy the benefits of dairy without putting undue strain on your liver. Food number 10. Fast food. Fast food. It's like a greasy siren luring us into the land of regret. Loaded with trans fats, excess sodium, and enough sugar to give a dentist nightmares, these meals are like a liver's worst nightmare. Ever felt like your liver was screaming "Mayday" after a fast food feast? You're not alone. The artery-clogging fats and sugar bombs in fast food are like a one-way ticket to Obesityville with a layover in Liver Disease City. It's a toxic combo that could leave your liver feeling like it's been put through a blender. Hold the fries and supersize the salad, please. When it comes to navigating the fast food jungle, a little strategy goes a long way. Opt for grilled over fried, skip the sugary sodas for water or unsweetened tea, and load up on veggie toppings like there's no tomorrow. Your liver will thank you for this golden ticket to healthier eating.